सब लोग अपनी जगह छोड़ के आगे आइए. Please, सब लोग, all the Gujarati's in the house, can we make some noise? गुजराती ना आवाज क्या छे? क्या छे तो जोरदार आवाज. Loud, all the Gujaratis in the house, make some noise. Wonderful. તમારા બધાના આભાર. તમે અહીંયા આવ્યા નવદંપતિને આપના આશીર્વાદ આપવા માટે. Thank you so much. A big hand to all the Gujaratis. All the Maharashtrians in the house, are you there? मराठी लोक आहेत की नाही? आवाज कुठे गेला? गुजरातीचा आवाज बघा. ओके. आवाज मराठी माणसाचा आवाज हवायच ना. त्यांचा आवाज भी भारी, हात भी भारी, नाच भी भारी. लय भारी. तुम्हाला सर्वांचं स्वागत आणि आभार मानतो. तुम्ही आपल्या नवीन जोडप्याला आपलं आशीर्वाद द्यायला आले. थँक्यू सो मच. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to everyone, and I would like to thank all of you wonderful people for coming here and making this evening really, really special for the Paters and the Matkars. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to invite our lovey-dovey couple. So without much ado, can I request everyone to please come in front? And on your tables you'll have the confettis. Can you pick up the confettis and come in front? Tai, Mai, Akka, please, Priya, sir, please. पीछे से जो भी है आगे आइए please. एक warm circle form करेंगे. Ladies and gentlemen, we have with us to celebrate this beautiful Godson decor and caterers for this beautiful decor and an even sumptuous meal being laid out. Rick Sound with DJ George. Can we have a big hand for our DJ, please? We do have model photo studios to click you, so please put on your best smile. Jayesh is on the camera. And Adello and JD Studios with the photography. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alistair. Can you all give a big hand to me as well? Thank you so much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, we have with us dancing to the rhythmic beat. First entering the second groomsman, Shrikant with the main